What up, what up, what up? So we're making another infused dish, but we're using vegetable oil. Precisely this guy right here. I used it, I tried it with 5 grams, this is 10. I'm double boiling it, trying it in the mason jar, and I've been doing it for about an hour and a half now, going till 8. You're always going to have a pot boiling next to the place where you're doing the oil, right? So you always have the same temperature water as the water evaporates. Remember, you don't want it to burn, you just want it to simmer. That's it. Also did not, again, decarboxylate the weed. I'm trying to keep as much stuff in my weed as I can, not decarboxylate it. It's already decarboxylated. But hey, you can, you can't. You want to remember to stir. Occasionally just getting that stuff up. You don't want to sit there stirring it all the time, but you do want to make sure that you stir the mason jar into the pot here. It was bouncing around, so I just put a paper towel on the bottom and solve that problem. So still not boiling, just lightly simmering, stirring occasionally. And we are now at 7:59. So let's wait. 8, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and take it out using cheese. We'll show you the process of the strain. And we're gonna strain out the oil that we just double boiled.